Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am Dr. Usman and you are watching Astrological Guidance. In today's video, our topic is monthly prediction of August 2023 for all the Taurus Ascendant people. In today's video, we will talk about how will be the month of August for all the Taurus Ascendant people astrologically. First of all, we will talk about Sun. For all the Taurus Ascendant people, Sun controls your 4,000. Right now, Sun is moving in your third house in the sign of Cancer. Sun will stay in your third house till 17th of August. After that, Sun will move to your fourth house in the sign of Leo. Third house deal with your communication skills. All type of communication is seen from third house. Your younger siblings, your communication skills, your neighbors, your cousins, your childhood friends. All the efforts you put in your work or all the matters in life is seen from third house. Your younger siblings is seen from third house. And right now your fourth house lord is moving in third house. Fourth house deal with your mother, your home, your properties, your conveniences. Your homeland is seen from fourth house. Your mother's health is seen from fourth house. Your emotions, your emotional state is seen from fourth house. So we can expect in the month of August you may have some argument and disturbance related to your home related matters and your mother's health, because your fourth house lord is moving 12 places away from itself in your third house, and 12th house from any house is considered naturally malefic house for that house, because 12th house represent losses, expenses and disturbing matters. So we expect disturbing result till 17th of August. After 17th of August, when Sun will move to your fourth house, then we can expect you may have some relief related to your disturbed effect of fourth house related matters and your mother's health, because then your fourth house lord will be in your fourth house. Also, there are many planets present in your fourth house, so we can expect your major focus in the month of August will be your home related matters, your properties, your conveniences, and your emotions related matters. You can expect these results from Sun for all the Taurus Ascendant people in the month of August. Now let's talk about Mercury. For all the Taurus Ascendant people, Mercury controls your second house and your fifth house. And right now, Mercury is moving in your fourth house in the sign of Leo. Mercury is about to turn into its retrograde motion in your fourth house on 24th August 2023. But fifth house represents your children, your love relationship, your mental abilities, your planning abilities, your learning abilities. How good you are in fun activities is seen from fifth house. Your love relationship, your girlfriend, boyfriend, your fiance, all of these things is seen from fifth house. Second house deal with your speech, your food intake habits, your saving, your money matters, your family lineage, family histories. All of these things is seen from second house. So right now your second house lord and your fifth house lord is moving in fourth house. So we can expect you may have some gain related to your home related matters and property matters. Maybe you will buy some vehicle and you will renovate your home in the month of August, because your fifth house lord and your money matters lord, second house lord, is moving in your fourth house and will be about to turn into its retrograde motion. And whenever any planet turn into its retrograde motion, its effect will be double for that time period. Either it was previously giving good result or bad result. So we can expect, especially after 17th of August, you will have some good result regarding your home related matters, your property matters, your vehicle matters. And especially after 24th of August, when Mercury will turn into its retrograde motion, you may have accelerate all the process related to your home, property and your mother's health. You will have good result regarding your property, your money matters, because your Mercury controls also your money matter. So we can expect positive result from Mercury for all the Taurus Ascendant people, especially after 17th of August, when Sun will move to your fourth house from your third house. Now let's talk about Venus. For all the Taurus Ascendant people, Venus controls your first house and your sixth house. And right now, Venus is moving in your fourth house in the sign of Leo. As we discussed previously in last month prediction video, in the month of July, Venus is right now in retrograde motion, and Venus will stay retrograde till 3rd September 2023. Sixth house deals with your court case, litigation, your argument, fights, your problem. First house means your ascendant deal with you. Your all the matters in life is associated with you is seen from first house. Your personality, your nature, your general health is seen from first house. So right now your ascendant lord means your most important planet of your chart is moving in your fourth house, and expect you are dealing with some court case litigation related to your home related matter or your home family member related matters, because your sixth house lord, court case litigation arguments lord, is moving in your fourth house, and Ketu is already moving in your sixth house. Ketu is a naturally malefic planet. Ketu is moving in your sixth house from last year, March 2023. So we can expect you may have some disturbance, issues, and argument fights related to your home related matters, regarding your property matters, regarding your emotional peace and your comfort, because fourth houses represent all of these things. And also Venus is your ascendant lord, means Venus control major aspects of your life in your chart. So Venus is right now in retrograde motion in your fourth house, so we can expect these results in the month of August for all the Taurus ascendant people. Now let's talk about moons. For all the Taurus ascendant people, moon controls your third house, and right now moon is moving in your 11th house in the sign of Pisces. The positions of planet you are watching on whiteboard, it's set according to 6th of August, and on the basis of 6th August we are predicting for whole month, because moon is very fast moving planet. Moon changes sign in 2.5 days. If we try to predict moon in one video for every house, then video will get too lengthy and it will be very difficult for us to describe. But here we will try to make you understand how can you judge your moon transit in your chart easily. So first of all, whenever moon is moving near 6th, 8th and 12th house during transit, during these days we can expect we may have some disturbance, issues and problem in our life, because these house considered as naturally malefic house in astrology. Somehow problem, disturbance and issues are always associated with these house. Second important thing to judge moon transit is that whenever moon is moving near any naturally malefic planet from any house in transit, during these days also we can expect we may have some issues, problem in our life, and especially problem will come from the house significance through which the moon is moving near naturally malefic planet. So that's the way to judge moon transit. Now let's talk about Mars. For all the Taurus ascendant people, Mars controls your 12th house and your fourth house, and right, for all the Taurus ascendant people, Mars controls your 12th house and your 7th house, and right now Mars is moving in your fourth house. 12th house deal with expenses, losses, isolation, foreign settlement, foreign related matter, your spirituality, your sleep pattern, your privacy. 7th house deal with your marriage, your relationships and journal, your business partnership, how you meet others, others will meet you, how much respect they will give you when they meet you is seen from 7th house, and also your fame along with 10th house is seen from your 7th house. And right now your 7th house and 12th house lord is moving in your fourth house. So as we discussed previously in Sun section, Mercury section or Venus section, your major focus will be your fourth house, your property matters, your mother's related matters and your comfort related matters, because fourth house represent all of these things. 12th house also represent losses, expenses. So we discussed previously in Sun section or Mercury section, you may purchase some new property or sell some of your previous property or vehicle, because your 12th house lord is also moving in your fourth house, and Mars is taking Rahu's energy in your fourth house, because Rahu is moving in Mars house right now in your 12th house. In effect, you may have to sell something or you may have organized some event in your home, because 7th house is also involved, and 7th house represent meetings in journal, inviting people, get-togethers, and right now get-togethers lord is moving in your fourth house. So we can expect you may purchase some property or sell some property, or maybe you will organize some event or party in your home. So we can expect these results from Mars for all the Taurus ascendant people in the month of August. We will have three major astrological events in the month of August. First of all, as we discussed previously, Sun will move from your third house to your fourth house on 17 August 2023 in the sign of Leo. Second major astrological event is that Mars will move from your fourth house to your fifth house on 19 August 2023 in the sign of Virgo. Third and most important astrological event is that Mercury is about to turn into its retrograde motion in your fourth house on 24th August 2023 in your fourth house, as we discussed previously in Mercury section. Rest all the planets like Saturn, Jupiter, Rahu, Ketu. We have described the results of these planets in detail in our yearly prediction videos. If you are interested to know the results of these planets, then check my yearly prediction video and watch for your ascendant. I hope that video will prove helpful for you. Our today's video monthly prediction for the month of August 2023 for all the Taurus ascendant ends here. I hope you will like this video and this video will prove helpful for you. And if you find this video helpful, then please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. See you in next video. Till that, Allah Hafiz. Take care.